Hi, I'm Gary Wilson. Have you ever been curious about investing in real estate? Well, you should be. You see, we're coming out of a deep and long recession that affected almost every industry, including real estate. As a result, we're in an environment where prices are still low relative to historical values, and interest rates are still as low as they've been in 50 years. So if you've ever scratched your head wondering, how do other people get ahead? Or if you wish you could leave your job but you can't, if you can't take the vacations you want, if you're not driving the car you want, if you're not living in the house you want, if you're worried about paying for your children's college education, or you're worried about your retirement, please click on this link and get your free report. In this report, called Rental Profits Without the Pain, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to build a nice little portfolio like I did of about 250 rental units. You don't need that much, maybe 100 units, maybe 50, maybe 10. I did it while I worked a regular job. I didn't use any gimmicks or complicated processes like what a lot of other people teach. I used a very simple system that I developed that allowed me to invest properly without sacrificing time with my family. In fact, I actually got several promotions, raises, and bonuses at my regular job while I was investing in real estate. And after 5 years of investing, I was able to retire at the ripe old age of 40. Would you like to learn more about this? Great. Go ahead and click on the link below and get your free report. Just all you need is your name and your email. You know, I wasn't born in a wealthy family. In fact, when I was a child, I was on the school lunch program. I wore free clothes and I wore hand-me-down clothes. But I used to daydream about being rich one day. I was lucky enough to have a college roommate whose dad invested in real estate. I saw firsthand how a Greek immigrant who didn't speak any English could buy a lot of rentals, and then I believed that I could too. One of my favorite heroes is Muhammad Ali, and he used to say he was the greatest. But do you think he was the greatest after he won all those fights? Or do you think he won all those fights because he believed he was the greatest? Folks, he believed he was the greatest. And I believed I would be rich one day. And I believe you can do the same. In fact, I know you can. Go ahead and get your free report here. Get it now, and let me show you how. I admire you for taking action. You know, today you're as old as you've ever been, and you're as young as you'll ever be. And if you don't do something today that's different than what you did yesterday, then tomorrow is going to be just like today. Nothing will change. You deserve to retire in peace. You deserve to take the vacations you want. You deserve to drive the car you want. You deserve to pay for your children's college education without stressing over it. You deserve to be able to do what you want, work for who you want, without dreading it every single day. You deserve the freedom that you desire. You know, we may never get the opportunity we have today to buy a few rental properties. You deserve this free report. And see for yourself that it is possible to do what I did. So go ahead and click on this link right here. Just all you need is your name and your email address, and we'll send you your free report right away.